In the depths of dense jungles, shrouded in thick fog, something strange began to emerge. Unfamiliar sounds filled the air, growls, rustling, and the cracking of trees, as if the jungle itself was alive. At an abandoned campsite, torn tents and scattered gear lay in disarray, while massive footprints trailed into the darkness. From the shadows, glowing eyes peered out, watching every movement as though warning of an impending catastrophe unlike anything nature had seen before. But this unsettling beginning was merely a prelude to something far more dangerous. Hidden from public view, in underground laboratories, scientists were pushing the boundaries of life itself. Driven by the dream of controlling nature, they sought to combine the strongest traits of different animals. These experiments produced hybrid creatures that fused the power of apex predators with the unique abilities of various species. Inside these dark laboratories, glowing test tubes held strange, pulsating liquids with embryos of unthinkable beings growing within. In one of the chambers, the first completed hybrid emerged, a terrifying fusion of a lion and a crocodile. Its massive body was covered in impenetrable scales, and its razor-sharp teeth could shred anything in its path. The scientists stared in awe at their creation, but their triumph was short-lived. The creature began pressing against the glass walls of its containment chamber, and in an instant, it broke free. Alarms blared, red lights flashed, and chaos erupted as the room became a battleground between man and this newfound force of nature. The escape of the first creature was only the beginning. Events spiraled out of control as other hybrids broke loose, destroying everything in their path. These creatures fled into the wild, where they began asserting their dominance over nature. In the heart of the swamps, a lion-crocodile hybrid prowled silently, observing its prey with deadly precision. High above, winged hybrids, a mix of wolves and eagles, soared through the skies, casting ominous shadows over the cities below. The catastrophe wasn't confined to the jungles and wilderness. Soon, the hybrids reached rivers and seas. Shark-octopus hybrids attacked fishing boats, dragging them underwater in mere moments. In urban areas, abandoned streets turned into arenas of terror, marked by claw marks on walls, overturned cars, and an eerie silence that masked the lurking danger. Meanwhile, humanity struggled to comprehend the unfolding disaster. Armies mobilized to confront the threat, but their efforts were futile. These creatures weren't just stronger than any predator, they were smarter, as though they could anticipate every human move. In cities, civilians sought shelter in underground bunkers, their hearts pounding as the roars of creatures grew closer. In scientific centers, desperate researchers raced against time, searching for a solution to stop the hybrids threatening the survival of humanity itself. Amid the chaos, nature began to reassert dominance in ways humanity had never anticipated. The hybrid creatures, once confined to laboratories, had now claimed their place as the rulers of a reshaped ecosystem. On mountain peaks, they built massive nests, and in the depths of oceans, they laid glowing eggs heralding a stronger generation. Forests, rivers, and cities fell under their control as they cultivated and spread rapidly. The hybrids carried an unmistakable message. The earth, long exploited by humans, was reclaiming its power over balance. Cut off the way, humanity struggled to respond. Despite advanced technology and organized resistance, the hybrids proved more powerful, adapting faster than any counterattack. Military forces fell, cities became wastelands, and survivors hid in bunkers, clinging desperately to hope. Each attempt at retaliation revealed humanity's fragility in the face of these unstoppable creatures. As the hybrids reshaped ecosystems and power balances,